Here it seems that we have the wild helicopter. It's a rare species as these are usually in groups of 4 or more. This helicopter seems to be terrorizing a village all on its own. These helicopters usually aren't as brave as they require 4 or more helicopters, like I said, to take out one village. Although this helicopter seems to have spotted me, so I may need to make a run for it. It will probably shoot its missiles at me and try and eat me for lunch. Hopefully it does not try and shoot me. For now we shall run away and probably get to safety.
I'm gonna step on the gas and be a
Oh God almighty, it seems I've received fire. I am on the run. Where was this helicopter hiding? It seems that it's behind me. Oh no. I've gotta run. Or this helicopter. Wherever it may go, hopefully I'm safe. Let's check and make sure it's not out there. It is not. For now, I seem to be safe. So let's go. Oh no! Run away. Seems this is going off again. I've got to outrun it, or else it's gonna eat me. I've got to run. Oh! It's trying to murder me. I've got to run away before it does.
Patience is waning, is this entertaining? Our patience is waning, is this entertaining?
Oh, no.
I got this feeling, I know where I'm losing control. This is magic in my bones.
Jump off this cliff and hide. Gotta go. Gotta keep running. Perfect spot to jump off the cliff.
Are you serious, my brother?
Sing women, sing for the year.
Good news. It seems I've lost the helicopter. Oh God. Oh no. I've dodged another missile. I don't know how many more missiles I can dodge with this engine. These helicopters are very deadly. They will stop at absolutely nothing to get their food. I should keep running before this helicopter tries and kill me again. If I can hide, I can repair my engine and I should be able to escape. But at the moment it looks like I will not be escaping this helicopter. Or hiding from it. I do not know where this helicopter has gone. It seems to be in front of me again. I'm gonna hide in the trees, hopefully it doesn't spot me. Hopefully it doesn't see me hidden in these trees. If I can repair, I can run away. It seems to be going to try and find me, but luckily it hasn't seen me. Oh no. I've been shot at again.